Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, premium LED fog lamps, 20-inch fully polished aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, platinum strip tail lamp, polished dual exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split rear folding seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3460A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.